Okay, that's my awesome excavator and my awesome bulldozer. That is my awesome military fuel trailer rig thing. I'm really proud of that. And then the dump truck is free to go deliver some gravel. Now, you may have remembered from a while back, I did a video where I tried to spread some gravel. Yeah, no, I'm terrible at that, and I have a lot of respect for those dudes that can do that. But I'm just gonna leave it in a pile because my cousin has a skid steer and he's way better at that stuff than me. So there you go. Oh, and by the way, here's a dude doing a turf drag over there. They buried a new water main and they're finally going back around to cleaning it up. So yeah, there he goes. Pretty good job too.